Hi guys, Steele and I are here to do week 16, cycle 2, new grammar for the Abecedarians. For the area of a rectangle math, we're going to do the area of a rectangle equals length. Length is long, right? So we're going to say length times width. All right, Latin is the same, and obviously because we did this song last week, we're going to be doing a game in class this week, so it's either going to be musical chairs or duck, duck, goose. All right, what is Newton's first law of motion? Newton's first law of motion, and we're going to do this, okay? States that an object at rest tends to remain at rest, and an object in motion tends to move in a straight line at constant speed. So we're just going to kind of advance our hand in a straight line at constant speed, unless an outside force acts upon it. And then this is going to act upon it and make it go a whole different direction and a different speed. Okay? A verb is a word that asserts an action. Okay? Shows a state of being. So we're like being. We're here. This is my state of being. Shows a state of being, links two words together, or helps another verb. All right, timeline. Age of industry, circa 1760 to circa 1969. And we're going to say, we're going to hop like a kangaroo for James Cook sails to Australia. And then for Antarctica, we're going to do this. And Antarctica, the American Revolution, and General George Washington. Then we're going to unroll a scroll for Madison's Constitution. Madison's Constitution and the Bill of Rights. All right, they got to see me though, Steele. All right, the French Revolution. The Second Great Awakening, the Louisiana Purchase and the Lewis and Clark Expedition, and you can do L and C if you have time, the Lewis and Clark Expedition if you want. All right, that's our timeline for the week. Tell me about how World War II began, and we're gonna say I can't remember the exact tune, but we're gonna say World War II began in 1939, okay? Or you can write 39, but I think this time we're gonna say 39. And then we're gonna go to the map, and when we say Hitler, we're gonna point to Germany, because that's where he was when Hitler invaded Poland. And we're gonna go, and we're gonna invade Poland. Two engagements that helped the United States win the Pacific Front. We're going to point over here to the Pacific Ocean because this is where the Pacific Front was, right? We're defeating Japan. Point to Japan. Oh, stop. At the Battle of Midway. And dropping atomic bombs on Hiroshima. And the Hiroshima is like right in here, and Nagasaki is like right in here. So we're just gonna kind of go like this and point kind of to the neck area of our little Grinch head. So if you see this is the Sea of Japan. It looks like a Grinch head. The neck area is where Hiroshima and Nagasaki are. In 1945, okay? Remember guys, that the map is not flat, it's actually round. So that's why it makes sense that the United States wanted to win the Pacific Front against Japan, because they're actually connected by the Pacific Ocean, okay? They're not on necessarily opposite sides. It's just really an ocean away here. Which is a big ocean. Largest in the world. All right, thank you guys. Oh, wait. Geography, I almost forgot. So for geography this week, what we're gonna do, it's the Balkans. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do Cheerios, and we're gonna put them on Greece, and then we're gonna put one on Albania, Bulgaria, Romania, And where is, oh, Slovenia, okay? And then I'm gonna be like, do you guys remember where Romania is? Let's pick the Cheerio up off of Romania and eat it. Okay, do you guys remember where Albania is? Let's pick that one up and eat it. And do that until they're all gone, and maybe then put the Cheerios back on, and just practice that a couple times. All right, guys, have a good week.